Kazandžiluk Street, dated back to the 16th century, is one of the 43 streets in the historic commercial area of Baščaršija, Sarajevo. The name originates from the Turkish word kazan, which means cauldron. Cauldrons for military purposes were the first merchandise made by artisans in Kazandžiluk. Later on, they began creating a wider variety of household and business accessories out of tin copper. Copper is a dominant material for crafting cookware, bakeware, cooking utensils, and cutlery for traditional Bosnian cuisine meals, food, and beverages. The artisans also manufacture products for hygiene care, barber, pastry, candle shops, illumination, etc. Assortments produced in Kazandžiluk, decorated and engraved, are functional and artistic works. They are highly desirable gifts and objects for ornamental purposes in enclosed facilities and gardens. The streetscape is picturesque, defined by lines of tiny structures of shops closing with wooden shutters that open and transform into display space and spots for small talks during the working day, revealing the wide variety of handmade copper products. The visual elements of a street, including the pavement made of local stone preset, adjoining shops with colorful windows, a rich assortment of handcrafted products. The street atmosphere created by the soft sounds of petty hammering and tourists talking in different languages create the Kazandžiluk street's charming and attractive character all year round.